Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to adjust the volume of your music using your app. So here I have created this app and you can see this here. It displays the maximum volume 15 and current volume is at 70. Now suppose if I play some music like here, when I click on play, so it is playing music now, and now when I click on 30 it becomes the current volume 4 and the volume decreases. When I click on 70 it increases. When I click on mute the volume is muted, and if I increase volume by this and click on this refresh button, it says current volume 13, and if I mute this and click on refresh button, it shows the current volume 0 and the mute is checked, and when I uncheck this the current volume is set to 15. So now let's mute this and check the project. So here I have TextView_1 for displaying max volume and TextView_2 for displaying current volume. Then I have button 70 for setting volume to 70%, button 30 for setting volume to 30%, and switch 1 which is for muting the volume, and image view 1 is for refreshing these current volume and mute, so that it displays the current status. So here first I have created an mode block extra, and in this I have put this code. I have declared an audio manager called audio manager, and here I have a closing curly bracket, in the end I have opening curly bracket, and in between I have declared this audio manager. In onCreate I have defined this audio manager. Audio manager is equal to audio manager get system service context dot audio underscore service. After this I get the max volume. For this I have defined, or I have added a number variable called max underscore volume, and here I set max underscore volume is equal to audio manager dot get stream max volume, get stream max volume audio manager dot stream underscore music. So for the stream underscore music it will get the max volume, and that will be the number variable max underscore volume. Then I display this max underscore volume in TextView1 by converting it to string without decimal, and after this I display the current volume. For displaying current volume I have created a more block display current volume, and in this more block I have defined the number variable current underscore volume. So first I added this number variable current underscore volume, and here I defined this as current underscore volume is equal to audio manager dot get stream volume audio manager dot stream underscore music. So here instead of get stream max volume I have used get stream volume to get the current volume, and then I display this current volume in TextView_2, and if the current volume is equal to 0 then for switch 1 I set checked true, else for switch 1 I set checked false. Okay, now this is used in on activity create, and then I have this image view 1 which is the refresh button. So here also I have used the same thing, display current volume, and when this button 70 is clicked I set the volume to 70%. So for getting 70% I multiply the max volume by 7 and divide it by 10. So in that way I will get the 70% volume. Then I convert it to int by writing int before this, and that will be the int variable volume 70, and then I set the volume by writing audio manager dot set stream volume audio manager dot stream underscore music comma volume 70, 0. So this will set the volume to 70%, and after this I display the current volume. And for setting volume to 30%, it is the same code. int volume 30 is equal to int max underscore volume into 3 by 10, and then audio manager dot set stream volume, audio manager dot stream underscore music comma volume 30 comma 0. So this will set the volume to 30%, and after this I display the current volume. And then I have this switch 1 on click event. So when switch 1 is clicked, if switch 1 get checked, then I have to set the volume to 0, or I have to mute it. So here I set audio manager dot set stream volume, audio manager dot stream underscore music comma audio manager dot adjust underscore mute comma 0. So it is the same code, only difference is I have used audio manager dot adjust underscore music instead of 30 or 70%. And for if the switch 1 is not checked, then I use audio manager dot set stream volume, audio manager dot stream underscore music comma audio manager dot adjust underscore unmute. So here I have used adjust underscore unmute comma 0, and after this I display the current volume. So that's all in this video. I have already shown you that. Thank you very much for watching this.